Hi everyone, it's Liam from the Blackpool Honda dealership. Hope you're all okay. And today I've got a quick video walk around of this 1 litre Civic petrol. Now of course this is the SE model variant, so you do get front and rear parking sensors. You also get LED daytime running lights, and you do of course get these 16-inch diamond cut alloy wheels as standard. I will go into each and every alloy just so you can get an idea of what design pattern you do get on these alloys. But walking around the car, you'll notice around the rear you also get rear parking sensors, and of course the previous owner has had the reversing camera installed just there. Moving into the tailgate now, as you can see there is plenty of room in here. You've got 60/40 split flat folding rear seats that do fold flat with this level just here, and you've got this brilliant little privacy shelf just in the middle. Walking around the car again, just showing you the rear alloy just here. In the back of the car now, we've got full black cloth interior with Isofix mounting points at the bottom. We've got electric automatic windows all round, all of which can be controlled via the driver's door. Jumping inside the car now, as you can see we've got your electric handbrake with brake hold, we've got your economy and your stop start on or off. We've got a 6-speed manual gearbox, as you can see there, along with your climate control in the middle. And then again, the previous owner has had this touchscreen display fitted. As you can see, it's got Bluetooth audio, Spotify, Bluetooth hands-free. You've got everything built into there. Moving over to the steering wheel now, we've got your audio controls on the left, we've got your volume, onboard computer controls and Bluetooth hands-free. Of course, these arrows here work your onboard computer. On the right hand side, we've got your cruise control, speed limiter, lane keep assist and distance control. We've got automatic headlights, and as you can see, this car has only done 31,573 miles. Jumping back outside the car now, just showing you the last remaining alloy. If you do of course require any further information on this 1 litre Civic, don't hesitate to get in contact with our dealership, and one of our sales team can provide you the personalised video. We thank you for your time, and we hope to hear from you soon here at Blackpool Honda.